Hello, hello. All right. Welcome, everybody. So today we'll be going over what I promised last week of creating your own bot on Discord. Fairly simple and easy, but it is a little costly in a certain sense. Um, but so as of right now, well, let's just go ahead and go to our go. All right. There you can see I have my stream up. Okay. And then I have my OBS up. And then I have this right here. This right here, I'm expand this for you. This is Discord bot maker. All right, so you can do different commands right here. You can do events, and you can set up your bot all right here. Okay. So this program is on Steam, and it does cost around $15, but it's a one-time fee, and then you can use it infinitely, pretty much. And you can create your own Discord bot. So let's go ahead and show you how it works. So we're going to create a new bot. I'm going to call this Joe's Test Bot. All right. And then we're going to save it on the desktop. That's perfect. And we can use templates too. We can use basic commands and events. We can use the imaging editing software thingy, which basically it'll do pictures and stuff, or generate pictures and stuff for you, like your avatar pictures and all that good stuff. You'd also do a moderation command where you can ban people, all that good stuff. Do a leveling system. Another thing we do. We're gonna go ahead and do a basic command and events. Just show you what all you can do without going through and creating a whole new thing, which I don't mind doing, but we don't have a time crunch here. All right. So it builds it, and then here you go, right here. So this is your commands. Welcome and leave command. There's that events. Yeah, that's events. All right, and here's commands. Now, just so you know, these welcome and leave commands don't always work. You gotta edit them and all that good stuff, make them work better. But it's an older template. But you got a thing here where you can have gold, where you can have all your people have gold, like earn gold, like leveling kind of thing. Gamble, you can flip coin, you can slap people. You can send an embedded message, which if you don't know what that is, if you were typing a YouTube link, and you notice the little red line going down with a little description there, that's an embedded message, pretty much. You can do role information, user, all that good stuff. All right, so what we're going to do is now we got all this stuff, we're going to go ahead and add it. So you go to over here, and you can change your command thing. I don't know what it's called. Your command tag. So right now with exclamation, you can make anything you want. RXT, whatever. So you type in that command and then whatever the command is. So example, exclamation, and then it would go to like help, exclamation help. All right. So let's go ahead and do this. Settings. You can also make it case sensitive, so you have to have uppercase or lowercase if it has it. This is just a little perimeter separator thing. I don't touch this because there's different ones, and if you don't do it right, then it'll mess it up. This one's standard. It works perfectly fine. And then your bot ID, your bot token, and client ID, and then encryption password. I don't ever put an encryption password, but these are things that you need here. And since they're here, here's how you set it up. You got to go to the Discord developer page. Let's go ahead and do that. There, as you can see, I already have a bot here. One of my bots. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a new bot. So a new application. I'm going to call this Joe. Great Joe. You can add a picture, whatever, if you want. You can do all this later too if you want, but you can add a description, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and do that. I think it's required. Okay. All right, so now these items here are just whatever. Then you're going to go to you're going to go to your bot here. Okay, that's weird. You may not need that. I think you can add it otherwise. All right, so here's your client ID. Okay, copy this. All right, and you're gonna put it in your client ID. Bot token. Bot token. All right. So we're gonna give this bot permissions. How's everybody doing? Don't ask, Will. Okay. Why is he handcuffed? Well, so the way I'm doing it now, so the way I had it before, it was really small screen. All right. So let's go and do that. Let me show you this. All right. So we had a really small screen here, and you could barely see anything. So with this, you can actually see stuff a little better when I put stuff up on the screen. But I also decided to do this where it goes to the other thing. It's just weird. Okay. Long story. All right. So let's go ahead. Let's just I don't know. Client secret. I don't know what that is. That one's weird. We need to find the bot ID. Now, this is a really weird part because I've done this before. I already have a bot, but trying to get it to do it again, it's really complicated to try to remember which one it was. But look up on YouTube how to do it. There's tutorials on it. But once you have your bot here, this is how you connect it to your Discord. Okay. So you put all the information here, and then it connects it to your Discord. All right, and then you can just add stuff here. All right, so let's do Slab. Okay. All right, so you click here. This is parameters. Okay. So any number of members are allowed to do this, and numbers 1, skip of action is 2, continue, etc. It'll continue to the next one. So it'll do it in the same channel as the command. It says mention user in order of to use this command. So you mention the person, and then there it is. Action sequence. So it'll end the action sequence after that, and then it'll send it to the channel. So the member slapped the other member in the face. Boom, and it'll send it. All right. That's pretty much how you do that. Like I said, there are YouTube channels, YouTube videos on how to set up the exact actual bot here. Advanced the same way. Basically, this is just a click and paste kind of programming, so to speak. All right. So that's that simple thing there. All right, so let's go ahead and let's not save this. I'm gonna close this out, and we're going to be done with that. And I'm going to show you on Discord. All right. Show you on Discord. I'm going to go to our server here that we had the bot on. All right. This bot is one I made, doing just that, making those commands and like that. So let's do arc help. There we go. Here's your whole list of commands that are available for arc. You have here different things that you can, different commands you can use here. All right. I got a whole gambling system. I got a music system that doesn't work because of the update, but I can notify anyone when the servers go down. You can gamble with black pearls. You can get recipes. You're like, oh, I don't remember the recipe for that. There you go. You type it in there, and it'll do that. All right. Different commands, all that good stuff. Also, another thing we want to go over was automation with Twitter and all that stuff. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Let me delete this. I don't need to see one. Oh, I got to type in his name. Joe. Delete Joe. Thank you. All right. Distance. Whoa. Don't want that. All right. Why are we still? Okay. Let's go to Google. Google. Do a search. I don't want to update that. Okay, let's just do it here. Okay, so we have what we're looking for. Oh yes, we have different things like widgets. Okay, so widgets are another thing you can do, especially with your bot. Okay. All right. So there's different ones you can go to. The widget bot launcher, which will generate gadgets and widgets for your Windows. Now, as far as doing that for Discord and all that. I don't think that works. There are hub things. What's it called? Hubbit. No, that's not it. Oh well. Let's do widgets for Twitter because that was a comment. Okay, so Microsoft actually offers one here. Word phone widget, Twitter widget. Or Apple, I guess, does it. Okay. But yeah, just search these things up and look at them. What the frick happened? So yeah, we just flew across the map. Give it a beat. All right. There's nothing you do. Okay, so here you go. This explains everything, how to do it. A bunch of different options here to pick from. So these kind of things here will walk you through how to like send Twitters and stuff like that to a website or a Discord or whatever. All right, you can basically unofficial Twitter embedded plugins, pretty much. All right. Any other thing you guys want me to go over? I've already gone over the bot briefly. I've already gone over the everything else pretty much that we wanted to cover. I wanted to do this kind of quickly because we kind of need to, like last time we went way over. Get back into position here. Party. All right, it's not party. Anybody else have anything they want to go over? You know, or something we can go over next time or something. Anybody at all? Links on Twitch. Okay, so let's do that thing. Let's go back to our desktop here. All right, so you're gonna go to your Streamlabs OBS. Okay, this is the only way I know how to do it. Okay, there are other ways depending on what programs you use, but these are your commands. Okay, these are all your commands here, all my commands, whatever. So like right here, mine right here. It's the one I have. So basically, whenever you type in extra life, code man 16, thank you for the follow. Extra life. All right, and then that's your command. So we type that in the chat, then this will pop up and say you can donate to Extra Life at this address. Okay, confirm, and then we'll go ahead and do it in chat here. Extra Life, just like that. There you go. All right, so that's how that works. And you see it's right in chat. Now, if you just want to just put the link in, like you as the streamer have the chance to just put in any URL you want. So you can actually add it in yourself if you want. Yes, this is Streamlabs OBS, but wherever you get your commands from, there's so many other programs out there, but wherever you get your program or your thing to edit your bot for, you can use the same concept to create a command. But like I said, you can just enter that link by itself, since you are the owner of that. All right. Well, does that work for you? Mindless? It makes sense for you? You understand it now? All right. Good, good, good. Who's all in here? Let's see who's all in here. Okay. Got a few new people. All right. Anything else we want to go over? Okay. I'm just gonna go do this. In light of, your whole going and buying, stuff on Steam and all that good stuff. You do get Discord bot, whatever, $15, whatever, you can make your own bot on Discord. Plenty of tutorials out there to do how to do it. There's another one as well, called Stream Avatar. This one is kind of cool too. Show you what it does. So this one is also $15, but like I said, it's a one-time fee thing. Boom, there you go. You can have little avatar peoples on your stream here, walking around, doing their thing. There's different commands where you can fight each other and all that good stuff. Also, the admin can, or the streamer can drop little bombs down. So, drop little bombs down on everybody. Okay. Drop down stars, get extra points, whatever you want to do with that. Pick people up, pin them top there. Pretty fun. Bunch of different things you can do with this. Yeah, you jump to get the stars and all that cool stuff. And look, it even says, hey, someone has 1 star from jumping. I didn't jump, but okay. Alright, so that's another cool thing you do, like little things you can add to your stream, make it a little better. Alright. And even even types in chat. You see here? Types like who's saying what and stuff. Your little avatar. Pretty cool. Yeah. Steam is a great area to get some good stuff. Alright. Um yeah, they may cost, some don't. But yeah, I mean they're worth it in the long run if you want to use those and all that cool stuff. I don't use them my stream because I used to use them because like, oh god, you know, they're pretty cool stuff, you know, so, and then oh wait, no, it's not good. So I would do that on like different things to show people different you know, all that good stuff. Um Anything else we want to go over? This is pretty much going to be a how-to, how you want. Okay. Anything you want to know, let me know, and I will try to find out for you if I don't know, or tell you if I do know. Tails and tails. All right. Everyone has a Discord, right? Knowing how their Discord works and all that good stuff. Anything that you've seen on someone else's Discord that you want to see on yours? Oh yes, I remember now. Okay. So someone asked about um, the stream cord and how to get that to work. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. Stream cord is all right. Okay, so this is your stream cord website, okay? And all you do is you log in by adding a Discord. All right. You should automatically log you in. You select the Discord you want to add it to if you don't already have it added. It is. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add it here. No, it's not added there. That's not. Add it here. All right. We add it to the server you want. Authorize it. I'm not a bot. I'm a human. Boom. There you go. It's authorized. So now it's in there. That's how you get it. Now, once it's in there, you need to visit your dashboard anytime. So then you go ahead and say, yep, I want to authorize them to go through all my stuff. We're gonna go. We're gonna do this one because this is my community. It already has people in it. All right, so this stream notifications. This is what happens when people start streaming. People start streaming, this notification happens. So you can add whatever to that. So I'm gonna go through and show you mine. Okay, so these are all people that currently are in here. Okay, in my stream thingy here. Will is in here, I believe, in the chat, so we're gonna use him. Yeah, Will's in here. Okay, so pretty much what we're gonna do is I'm gonna edit as if we were making it. All right, so you put the streamer's name at the top, put their channel here, and you want to put their their channel, not their whole link. So just their channel name. Now, this automatically, okay, so sorry. This is your Discord channel where you want it to go live. Okay. So the notification will go live here on this channel. And this is their channel, Steam name minus the website and all that. This is a little message you can put to notify everyone that they're going live. Okay. These are the roles that are allowed to insert, mention, or whatever. You can do that if you want. Include stream preview or minimal emulation or hide embedded, whatever. So this basically you can do like the little thing that pops up and says, hey, they're live, and this shows a little preview of what they're doing. Then this hexagon thing, you can do a little color thing so that it pops up in Discord what color they are, all that good stuff. And then once you do all that, then you hit submit, which I'm not going to. I'm going to change something, and there you go. It's added to your thing. So you got all your people added and all that good stuff. I believe you also do the live roll thing, which I don't think actually works 100%. But it'll say, you give people a live roll when they're actually live. You get up to 25 people streaming without paying. I think you pay and then you get more, but pretty good. All right. What did we get? Did we get a message? We got a message. Get the sound. Sweet. All right. Anything else anybody want to go? Anything else? Looking for hands. Anyone want to raise their hand? Anybody? Man, this crowd is dead. All right. How to a Joe is kind of slow usually, but it's only because we're trying to learn, trying to get people to speak up and see what they want to learn. Everybody know how to do, or everyone know where to get music. Okay, I'm talking like you want music for your channel, but you don't want the copyright things and all that, right? So there is a thing in the channel in the chat there. Okay, it says there's copyright free music, and then there's a link there. Go to that link, download all music you want there. It's all free to use, free to download, whatever. Okay, you use these all the time on Twitch. It's different genres you can use, all that good stuff. If you want music that's copyright free. There's other ones out there, but this is the one I use. All right. Anybody else? Have anything you want to go over? All the people that were supposed to be here that had all the questions last week are not here. So they're not getting their questions answered. It's really kind of upsetting, but it is what it is. All right. So if that is all, then we will just continue on to, we'll just end this one early. I know it was kind of short and brief. Didn't go over a lot of details on everything, but that's because this is it's going to be a fast stream. Not lengthwise, but we're going to go everything pretty fast because I wanted to get everything in because last time we were way over what we were supposed to, and I had to go on that day, so I really wanted to make sure we got everything covered. Thank you all for coming. We are going to raid someone, so please stay in here and you'll get raid points. All that good stuff. All right. You sit tight right there. Find someone to raid. Any suggestions? Take free suggestions. Ooh, no. You know what? We're going to go see this guy. This is a good friend of mine. Does anime type streams. All right. And really awesome guy. Let's go ahead and do that. I rarely get to raid him because they're on when I'm on. Thank you all for just staying. Appreciate it.